Why are moms so sexually aggressive to party characters? I mean, I get it. This time it's my fault because I'm dressed up as the one and only Woody. Yep, and that's just setting yourself up for failure because I walked into the party, one of the first moms that looks at me and goes, "Oh, no Buzz," because it was me and Jesse. We didn't have Buzz with us. And I go, "No, man, not today." And she goes, "Oh, that's weird because it normally takes a little Buzz before I let Woody inside." Ma'am, your child is 4 feet away. What did you just say? It took so much for me not to just 180 and be like, nope, I can't do it today. But you know what? I stayed the course, and I went in, and I regret that decision because I go in, and we start telling the story to the little girl. The little girl's got a little toy Woody, and she holds it up. And Jesse, unfortunately, goes, "Oh, look, you've got little Woody." And we all awkwardly make eye contact, and then the grandma leans down to me and goes, "Bet it feels good to be big Woody, doesn't it?" Come on!